That's right, it's my Roblox account's birthday. It is now 3 years old. It's been a long time since I've been on this account. Anyways, and for this birthday, I'm going to make a Roblox Avatar Evolution. On April 29th, 2018, I logged on to Roblox on my first ever Roblox account called Sketch Igra, and as always, I looked like a bacon. After a month of use of my Sketch Igra account, I deleted Roblox for storage, because I wanted to install another video game. Then I went back to reinstall Roblox to make a new account called Utokyo, and instead of a bacon, it was a blank canvas. However, there was a coincidence with this account, because there was another account on Roblox that has existed since 2011, also called Utokyo, but instead of a Y, it's an I in the username, and they kinda look similar. It's just that the difference is, Utokyo with an I in the username has a cap, but the one with the Y, which I use since 2018 and stopped using it in the same year, it was just empty, with no accessories, just a blank canvas. When I started playing Roblox, I did not know how to customize my avatar, so that's why I deleted Roblox and reinstalled it to make a new account to make myself look like a bacon hair again, just like my first ever Roblox account, the Sketch Igra account. And this account, the Michael Jordan account, was a bacon hair, luckily. Yeah, I did name it after Michael Jordan, a very famous basketball player. And then I learned how to customize my avatar, and I used that customization on the Michael Jordan account, and made it look like this. In 2019, I started using the Shishi11278 account, which was actually made by my sister a few years ago. And she started using a new tablet in the same year and let me use her old iPad to abandon my other old iPad, which kept going crazy and was too slow to keep running. But hers was fine. Then I started to use the Agent Lisbon 123 account, which my mom actually made on her laptop in December of 2018, my first year on Roblox. And instead of using my iPad, I used a laptop. And finally, I log on to my current account, which I've been using since March 27th, 2020. It's been 3 years, it's been a long time. And as soon as I logged onto this account, I made my avatar look like this in a short amount of time. In January 2021, I got Robux for the first time, and I made my avatar look like a chemist bacon. During my 11th birthday, I got Robux and turned my avatar into Albert from 2021. And I got the white flamingo fedora and made my avatar look like this. Then I got 4.5 thousand Robux on Christmas 2021. And well, there was a Christmas version of this, but then after Christmas was over, I turned it into a regular version of it, which was this. Then got Robux again in July 2022 and turned it into this. If you've been subscribed to my channel for long enough, then you will feel nostalgia from this. Then got Robux again in Christmas 2022 and made a Christmas version of this default avatar, and then after Christmas is over, I turned it into this, the one that we all know and love. Although I currently use this one because I fell in love with a game called Infect Doom, which is basically the Roblox version of Doom.